Welcome aboard an exciting adventure in the world of agricultural machinery. Get ready to discover the incredible power and innovation of these technological marvels. Dive into the heart of action, where the bale press brings rectangular grass bales measuring 60 centimeters long to life. Watch as the bales are compressed and placed into a storage compartment for a more efficient harvest. Tackle rough terrains with the Avant 745, a true wizard in tree cutting, moving, and planting. This machine uses a radical cutting system to lift trees with finesse. Diameters from 20 to 60 centimeters, a breeze. Growth without compromise. Get ready for breathtaking action with the John Deere Combine Harvester. Precise cutting and threshing operations blend into a mechanical ballet, resulting in the collection of high-quality grain. Extract gold from the grain with the Rice Harvester, where the art of separation meets modern technology. Bars and sieves work in harmony to separate the grain from debris, ensuring a superb product. Witness the machine flipping rows of peanuts like a perfect choreography, freeing the precious gems. The terrain is masterfully worked, preparing it for sun-drying. Dive into biofumigation with the John Deere 7530 spitter. Watch it gracefully work the soil, preparing it for even and vigorous plant growth. Step into the future with Mastercam, a silage cutter par excellence. Grass, maize, and forage are cut into perfect pieces to feed livestock. Sharp blades and intuitive control make Mastercam the ideal companion for modern farmers. Witness the giant leaf vacuum truck in action, ready to collect autumn leaves with power and style. With potent suction and smart design, it cleans up in no time. Experience a masterpiece in quail farming, an intricate art blending reproduction with market demand. A dance of eggs, a symphony of growth, an explosion of benefits. Be entertained by the spectacle of RJ's Impactor 250, crushing materials like a martial arts master. Wood and roots bend to its power, transforming into smaller, manageable pieces. The field is primed for the grand harvest, and the Class 8700 doesn't hold back. This high-capacity harvester devours wheat like a whirlwind, delivering a bountiful and top-quality yield. Be amazed by the manure spreader, a vehicle that revolutionizes waste management. With power and precision, it distributes plant nutrition like a growth magician. Explore the hidden world of apples with this innovative machine that harvests buried treasures. Apples emerge from the darkness with cutting-edge technology, yielding a juicy and surprising harvest. Rule the sugarcane fields with the mighty Kubota B Series tractor, zooming through fields with precision and power. It removes leaves and debris, ensuring healthy growth and high-quality production. Tackle the challenge of plant feeding with the powerful Vinhuis HDG 14,000 fertilizer spreader. This liquid tank transforms fields into lush gardens with precision technology and outstanding performance. Embark on the thrill of excavation with the bulldozer, a giant ready to conquer the earth. With sharp blades and a heart of steel, it paves the way through every obstacle with grit and strength. Conquer tough terrains with the track trailer, a vehicle that masters every surface. With perfect traction and independent wheel control, it tackles challenges with style and determination. Be mesmerized by the machine that tames the wild, the Gusanichi PT 300 brush cutter. It cuts and slashes bushes like an agricultural hero, making way for new adventures. The climax arrives. The beet harvester Agrifaza 215A springs into action. With sharp claws and cutting-edge technology, it gathers beets like a treasure hunter, delivering a plentiful and delightful harvest. Are you ready for an exhilarating experience in the world of agricultural machinery? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on upcoming exciting videos. Until the next adventure.